did that Drone Business Masterminds program do for you, right? For that trajectory? What do you think just overall it taught, just some of the concepts? And then what are some of the other things that others should know about the program that, may interest them?
So here's the first thing that came out really strong for me from the Drone Business Masterminds is the mental jump, the realization that marketing isn't just a department you have, in your company. Without proper marketing, marketing can make or break your company. Depending on how you're marketing yourself out there, that's what people, that's how people will be relatable to you. Whatever is out there as your content for marketing could make or break you. So I think one of the biggest things I remember personally feeling from my first session in Drone Business Masterminds was the realization like, wow, I had absolutely never looked at it this way. I remember after my first session with Drone Business Masterminds, I went back, looked at my business plan. I had capitalized on developing a sales team. Marketing was basically just having one particular person in the role who would be, sending out content, just posting what offers we have, and that would be about it. But now I relooked at everything, cut down on what we have on sales because the salespeople need a narrative to tell. And that narrative is not going to exist if you don't have a proper marketing strategy. And your marketing strategy needs to be thought out because I was basically looking at marketing from a point of people need to know what you offer. But people don't care. Everyone is selling. Everyone is selling something. And for a lot of people, they'd probably run away. I know I disable so many ads on my phone, so I never even knew why. I never thought about it. But it's so interesting to see people's stories. You're invested in someone because of the stories they tell. You being part of their journey makes it all the more worthwhile. Watch the process as it goes. So that was definitely the first thing that comes out to me. Second is the network you have from the Drone Business Masterminds. I mean, this is a global reach kind of program. You're able to, tap into expertise and people in different niches of the industry from all over the world. It's basically it's a haven for, if you ever get a client who wants to ask you about if you're able to do something in particular in a different country, for you to figure out what the regulations in that particular country, what you need to do getting into that particular country. Going into the Drone Business Masterminds alumni network, you definitely find someone that you're able to connect with there. Third is absolutely the fact that you're able to build up on your skills. Is that as soon as you sign up for that, your first class, it doesn't end there. Every other, resource that's put out, the industry is changing. And I can't always be on top of what's new and what's happening. Everyone has a different expertise. Everyone has a different understanding, and everyone, I really want to appreciate you for the fact that you go out of your way to really look and focus at the business aspect of doing businesses, which I feel like is not really something that anyone else focuses. And it's been a game changer. So I would definitely recommend this to anyone who's really looking at starting their own business.